Struggling to keep your remote sales team on the same page? Wondering how to stay productive when half your team is working from their kitchen tables and the other half are still in their pajamas? Hey there, Cassy from Neighborhood here. Today we're diving into how to use HubSpot to turn your scattered sales squad into a high-performing, well-coordinated team, no matter where they're working from. Remote work is here to stay, and if you're managing a distributed sales team, you've likely discovered that out of sight doesn't have to mean out of mind or out of commission, but it does require some intentional strategies and the right tools. Let's explore how HubSpot CRM can be your remote team's digital headquarters. First things first. You need visibility into what your team is doing without becoming that manager who sends just checking in messages every 45 minutes. HubSpot's activity tracking gives you that perfect balance. The Sales Hub dashboard shows you exactly who's making calls, sending emails, and booking meetings without you having to ask. You can see who's crushing it and who might need some support, all without a single awkward "what are you working on?" Slack message. And let's be honest, we all have that one team member who claims they've been super busy, but somehow has zero activities logged. Now you'll know if they've actually been busy or just binge watching the latest Netflix series. No judgment. Well, maybe a little. When your team isn't sharing the same physical space, communication needs to be more intentional. HubSpot's task management system ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Set up automated task assignments based on deal stages so everyone knows exactly what they should be doing next. No more, "I thought someone else was following up with that lead" excuses. The system will automatically nudge the right person at the right time. For team meetings, use the HubSpot reporting tools to create standardized dashboards that everyone reviews beforehand. This transforms your video calls from rambling status updates to focused strategy sessions. Because if I have to sit through one more 2-hour Zoom call that could have been a dashboard review, I might accidentally on purpose lose my internet connection. Speaking of Zoom, HubSpot's integration with this well-known video platform is nothing short of brilliant. The Zoom integration automatically logs your meetings, records calls, with permission of course, and even transcribes conversations directly into your CRM. This means your team can focus on the conversation instead of frantically taking notes like university students during finals week. After the call, everything is neatly organized in the contact record, complete with a recording you can reference later. No more, "Wait, what did they say about their budget again?" moments. As for Slack, the HubSpot integration turns your company chat into a deal closing powerhouse. Get notifications about important deal updates, lead assignments, and task reminders right where your team already spends half their day. You can even create and update HubSpot records directly from Slack commands. My personal favorite feature? The ability to share contact and deal information directly into Slack channels. When someone asks about the status of the Acme deal, you can pull up these details instantly without switching platforms. It's like having a sales assistant who never sleeps and doesn't ask for annual leave. One of the biggest challenges of remote sales teams is maintaining collaboration on deals without creating confusion. HubSpot's shared inbox and deal collaboration tools solve this elegantly. When multiple team members are working with the same prospect, everyone can see the communication history, notes, and next steps all in one place. No more awkward moments where a prospect says, "Your colleague already told me about this yesterday," leaving you stammering like you've been caught wearing socks with sandals. The deal notes feature is particularly valuable as it can encourage your team to document every meaningful interaction. It's not micromanagement, it's creating a shared brain for your team. And unlike your actual brain, this one doesn't forget important details after a weekend of Netflix and takeaway. Bringing new salespeople into a remote team used to be a nightmare. But with HubSpot, it's surprisingly painless. Create sequence templates for your proven sales processes so new team members can hit the ground running with messaging that works. You can set up playbooks with your best practices, objection handling, and competitive intelligence. This gives new hires a reference library they can access anytime, so there's no need to schedule a call with a senior rep just to ask how to handle a common objection. The best part? You can see exactly how they're performing against the rest of the team from day one, allowing you to provide targeted coaching where it's needed most. Because nothing says "welcome to the team" like actual support rather than the traditional sink or swim approach that so many sales organizations seem to prefer. Let's address the elephant in the Zoom room. Maintaining motivation when your team is scattered across different postcodes, time zones, or continents. HubSpot's leaderboards and reporting tools let you gamify performance metrics without making it feel like you're running a call center from 2005. Create custom dashboards that highlight different strengths, not just closed deals, but also activities, pipeline generation, and customer satisfaction. Make these dashboards visible to everyone and celebrate wins publicly in your team communication channels. There's nothing like a bit of healthy competition to get salespeople moving, even if the only person witnessing their victory dance is their cat. And speaking of celebrations, use HubSpot's notification system to alert the team automatically when someone closes a deal. It's amazing how motivating a simple "Alex just closed a $50,000 deal with Acme Corp" notification can be, especially when it's followed by a flurry of congratulatory gifts from colleagues. Remote coaching is perhaps the trickiest part of managing a distributed sales team. HubSpot's call recording and conversation intelligence features make it surprisingly effective. Have your team record their sales calls, with permission of course. We're not running a surveillance state here. Review these recordings to provide specific, actionable feedback. Better yet, create a library of best practice calls that demonstrate how to handle different situations effectively. The conversation intelligence tools will automatically analyze calls for talk time ratio, question rate, and even competitor mentions. This gives you data-driven coaching opportunities rather than vague, try to sound more confident advice that helps precisely no one. The beauty of using HubSpot for remote sales teams isn't just about the technology, it's about creating a system that provides structure without stifling autonomy. Your team gets the guidance they need without feeling like they're being monitored by an overzealous algorithm. Remember, the goal isn't to recreate the office environment virtually, it's to create something better. With the right HubSpot setup, your remote team can actually outperform their office-bound counterparts by focusing on what matters: meaningful customer interactions and closed deals. So there you have it, a framework for remote sales success that doesn't require constant video calls or trust issues. Implement these strategies and you might find yourself wondering why you ever needed everyone in the same building in the first place. Well, except for the holiday parties. Those are still better in person. There are some things even HubSpot can't replace.